Can you help me, Plumbdog? My mom's hot water system's gone out. Keeps blowing out. Goes out all the time. It's really annoying. And now the buttons are seized. I can't get it back on. How?
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you're notified each time we upload a video.
Hey guys, Rich from Plumbdog here. So, came out earlier on in the week to look at this hot water system. Found a Bosch 10P that's installed on the side of a property. It's quite an old property here in, where are we? Mount Lawley. So, got called out by a lady's daughter. Her elderly mother lives here and constantly having issues where the hot water system keeps blowing out. Well, this is a Bosch pilot system, Bosch 10P, and as you can see, just installed on this driveway, it's it's prone to high winds. So I think on Sunday, high winds and heavy rain took that system out. It's happened a few times, and then I came out to see if I could work, fix it, relight it. But all the buttons inside there are seized. So yeah, I've forced the pilot one open and then I tried to light it, but yeah, nothing's coming through, so it's absolutely dead. And the other thing as well is, obviously this system keeps going out and it's not ideal. The daughter's having to travel over here each time that happens, and so recommended a replacement, and hence why I'm here today. And one of the Sparkies in the background there, putting a PowerPoint on. So, the video is about why, firstly, I'm not putting that type of system in again. And secondly, why a PowerPoint's been put over there towards the front of the house. So at the front of the property, we've got the gas meter there. And as you can see, there's a new bit of pipe and a shiny regulator there, and that's because when I was here the other day, there's a really old gas reg on there. So part of my recommendation for replacing was that we can contact ATCO and get that swapped out. So they have. They capped the lady off the other day for no valid reason, so she couldn't even do any cooking, bless her. So that's why I'm out here on a Friday afternoon trying to get this job finished ASAP. But anyway, that's beside the point. Thanks, ATCO. But, so the reason that I'm decided to change the type of system and the location is as follows. So we've got 1.25 kPa supply to the property, which is usually dictated to by what's available in the street. The type of system that we've got is a Bosch 10P. Now it's about 90 megajoules per hour usage, okay? Now, because the system was dead, I wasn't able to put a test on it, because if I was able to put a test on it, I'd be able to work out exactly what supply and what working pressures we're working with, because we can connect to a gas point just on the lower side inside there and work out what we've got. But we could, because the unit's dead, we couldn't. So then we need to rely on our gas pipe sizing chart. Now, gas pipe sizing chart for a 90 megajoule per hour unit on a 20 mil copper feed on a 1.25 kPa feed is 10 meters, which is on the chart. And as I paced out the other day from the front of the house where the gas meter is to this location of the hot water system, it's about 15 meters. So what I didn't want to do is put a similar size unit on there, but a modern version, being a gas continuous flow with a PowerPoint, which I'll get to shortly. But I didn't want to put the new unit there and then end up having the issue that on commissioning, we work out we haven't got enough gas supply. So what I did is I worked out that over here, there's a nice little spot on the wall there that we could put the new unit, which is about 5 or 6 meters shorter. So by putting the system on the wall here and connecting into those hot and cold water feeds there, and then connecting into the gas that runs through anyway, we're able to get the same result by they're not going to notice anything different with the water, the hot water, other than the fact that this room gets hotter slightly quicker than over there, which is the opposite, but it makes no difference because all the bathrooms and kitchen and that are there. And then by putting the system there and teeing into the gas pipe below means that we're actually shortening the working length by about 5 or 6 meters. So then the distance from the front of the house where the gas meter is to the new hot water system location should be about 10 meters. And fingers crossed, we'll get our gas working pressure that we need to be able to sign off this this system, this install, as safe, compliant, and commissioned. And if it doesn't, well, I won't be posting this video, will I? Because I look like an idiot. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I'm confident. So, electrical power point install as well, because I hate those units. I've worked on thousands of them. And this day and age, having pilot lights, permanently using gas, regardless of whether it's used, its efficiency, the fact that it's a mechanical unit and needs servicing, compared to a modern style gas continuous flow style, and it can be as windy as it likes down here and nothing will blow out because it has no pilot. So Bosch 10Ps, excuse my French, kids, and we're going to go ahead and put a Ream 12 gas continuous flow in the new location, pipe it up, hot, cold gas, plug it into the new power point, thanks to electricians, one still on the roof working away. We'll do some final tests and hopefully we're all good. Watch this space. Who needs ladders? Happy Friday, coffee. Got a bottle of wine on the completion of the last job today and now got a coffee. I'm happy. That's the gas done. Right, still got a bit of testing to do and a bit of clipping of pipework and lagging and stuff, but the new unit is in and it's connected. And the moment of truth is this location, which is closer to the gas meter compared to where it was, gonna get its gas pressure. Remember I said at the start of the video, fingers crossed? Well, this is live. Let's see what we're getting. So I've connected the digital manometer to the gas point underneath. And all gas appliances need to have a minimum of 1.1 working pressure, which is with the unit running and any other gas appliances around the house running at the same time. So I'm going to turn on the water because there's a tap open inside. So now this unit is running. Da-da-da. You guys are going to see before I do. What is that? Can't even read it. Yeah. 1.2. That's my final checks to set the water temperature. So take the front off. Turn the water on. switch 3. Sets the temperature. See, that's showing 48. Remember me telling you that out of the box there, 48? No idea why. Bloody ring. Dip switch. Max. Change that to 50. And then we're going to change that to 51. And I think that between here and the kitchen, 51 should do it. Dip switch 3 back off. Into the house, check the temperature of the hot water. There you go, guys. Hot water system installed on a Friday. New hot water system, new location. Pipe work done. Gas is good. Power point installed. And 50 degrees inside the house. Here we go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.